So hi and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new hard drive in a Razer Blade. This one is the 2019 Razer Blade 2080 edition, so this is the advanced edition, and we're going to be installing a Samsung NVMe 970 Evo Plus. Now I expect to see some performance upgrades, but that's not the reason I'm doing that. I will show you the benchmarks though, so you can understand the differences. But the reason why I'm doing this is because Razer only shipped this model with a 512 NVMe. Why? I have no idea. As well, it only shipped with 16GB of RAM, which is a total pain, and I need to upgrade it to a 1TB NVMe, so I'm going to have to do this myself. Would have been nice to have had this out the factory like that because this is brand new, but you know, that's the way it is. Now, something to note are that Razer in your region or your country might void the warranty if you do this, so check with them first before you replace the drive, because it could be quite costly if it doesn't work once you finish doing your installation. If you've been following my other videos, I do tech reviews on gaming mice, mouse pads, all the game peripherals, and I'll certainly be benchmarking this Razer to give you an idea of what it's capable of. Now this is a fairly simple upgrade here. It'll take me about 10 minutes. It's about 10 screws. I'm going to show you here with the Torque T5 screwdriver that you can use to take the base off. I'll put a link in the description though to which one I've got or which ones you could use so that you've got an idea if you want to do it. And you're also going to need a star or Phillips screwdriver as we call them in the UK, PH0 X 50mm for taking the NVMe drive off. Now if you've done that before with an NVMe drive, it's the same screw generally that takes them out. That's all we need to do this. I'd suggest putting your Razer on a nice towel or a soft pad. As you'll see, I'll do that on my desk so you don't scratch it. And let's get on with it. Now that you've seen the installation, you see the benchmarks as well, and you see the 970 Evo Plus is slightly quicker with the writes. Now, these NVMe drives anyway are very fast, and the Razer one is no exception here. It's a Samsung as well that's in its standard, and it is quick. So I think in real world terms, I'm probably not going to see that increase, even though it's quite a bit, because the CPU is going to bottleneck before anything else, let's be honest. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to show you anything else about the Razer Blade that I've not mentioned, let me know in the comments. And until the next video, I'll catch you again. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.